Hi. Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Quezon the First. What uh, will say at this moment is my business idea. When I think of business idea, it is a feeling of wherein once of my life. This portion that I will say is long. So I will talk. While I will talk, there is person that tends to copy me on the left, on the right side. That person is putting me on shame. When I think of business idea, it is calm, which is I not hurt other person, I not think of other person, I am just behave inside of the house, and then what they're doing is killing myself on the use of black magic. The killing portion is they want myself to be dead because of what myself productivity on life. When I say productivity on life, myself when I tends to grows is already on a situation of body movement. When I say body movement, masipag in Tagalog. The definition of masipag, myself is being out on repetitive doing, such that. And then they is killing me because I am not repetitive doing. I not know why they is so bastos pervert, but I wish they be dead. Now, this portion that I will say is mall. I want to there is a moment during year 2020 it is my talking. Myself is when it comes on to business idea, it is December. It starts my fishy dream bone March to April year 2019. And then when it is already December 2019, it is already has COVID-19, coronavirus year 2019. And then the business idea thinking of myself proceed on year 20, that word proceed is even year 2020 I tends to think of business idea. Now I will talk. I not know why do I hear echo when it comes when it comes onto mall. It starts on talking on Pasay City. Uh, on on street road on road along Baclaran Church. What is being said of the right eye, the Baclaran Church is being target, meaning to say the wedding. Time ko, the right eye, the moment. During year 2020, there is no disturb person. Tends to disturb. I will talk now. On that Pasay City, it ha- it is good that I talk about it. Wait, I will say the details. The first is I want to have mall. I search on Google search of what is Tagalog word, Spanish word of mall. What I cite in there is Centro Mall, Centro Comercial, letter C and then letter C. And then, oh, such that SM is being parang ganun. I not know about it. Wait, let me talk. Let me talk. Wait lang. Hmm, on that Centro Commercial, I talk. When I think of business idea, it is idea. Business idea. This one is ideal wedding of myself about in here. Temi ko. why this interfere? No, no. I will talk now. Lower voice. Ay, so, when it is year 2020, I am now starting to talk about year 2020 about business idea. I am inside of the house. So the right eye says it is good because of Guangzhou, something such as activity on that land. Tahimik ko. I will talk now. Days on creation of alibi or creation of situation. Tahimik. During year 2020, what is my 2020? Me and Alex Jr. ko only. Love life about. I will talk now. Alex Jr. ko is brownish color. But what I cite on Facebook is kayo manggi skin color. Timik ta. I will talk about it. But at the moment, let me talk about the Centro Commercial. Now, what is the next happens? It is talking. It starts on talking. And then I imagine on street road at Baclaran Church. And then along the Baclaran Church, the the other road. Wait lang. I just noticed I say the word Lavinia and then this is my hair. Oh, such this. Lavinia is such this hair. Yeah, okay lang. Wala, but my hair is natural. Ganda. Ito, okay siya. And then, I imagine of it the building of at first I create the mall on my imaginative, the building. And then I am thinking if it is letter A, and then letter I am on thinking process, the design, the shape of the building. And then what is on my mind is letter A. I want it not want you. At first I want it letter A and then letter C, Alex Jr. and myself. And then, let me talk. They interfere at this moment I talk, year 2025. The kabit o is saying letter B, letter W, letter I, letter S, letter I, letter T. And then, when I am imagining of that building on Baclaran, it's suddenly on video that has what you call this overpass on Baclaran Church. I not know the reason, but it is in here. So meaning to say the when I imagine it is in here on the right side, and then when the video suddenly on but when my imagination is on the along the road of Baclaran Church, suddenly it is video of wherein walking on the overpass and then sometimes riding a car and then sightseeing is the overpass. Hmm, that is so weird. Tahimik ko. And then, ah, slow motion will myself will talk. Wait lang. They talking on shoutness mode. They is the person that shouts and then myself is being influenced. They use black magic. I am pure. Tahimik ko. Not the word influence. Myself is being such this. What is the word? Because they shout, myself tends to shout as well, something such that. I need to slow motion when I talk so that it is clear. Excuse me. At the moment, the albularyo Juliet is on my right eye. I not know why. I will talk now. Kaloka. I am with Alex Jr. ko during that moment on the video. Video that is moving the overpass. And then it is year 2020 it is. Why they shout letter P, letter A, letter L, letter I, letter T? What is that mean? I not know. I am Connie Ann that talks. And then, uh, myself will be on my imagination. My imagination. When I did imagination such that structure, it is there is person that tends to put it on letter A, but I want it letter A and letter C. So what happened during that moment? It is letter A and then letter O, but it is letter C, not letter O. And then I draw this. I imagine the inside of it, the look, and then this is what I write. Such this. I write it the look the wait lang. What number is it? B1. Inside of the house, pampering and relaxation myself during year 2020. It is happy happy. Oh, it is happy happy. My year 2020 is happy happy. I will just look if there is B1, B2. There's nothing to do at home, and then it is that it has COVID-19 coronavirus, and then year 2020 it is the person could not go outside because there is COVID-19 disease. It is happy happy, and then pampering and relaxation. So inside of the house, what I'm doing is writing. I will talk now. Basement 1. This is the base. How do I... This one. This is the basement 1. It has elevator and then food court about it. This is table. And then this is room. This is room for... I feel shy at the moment. There is a voice on my ear. I need to say it so that myself be understood. Why? Because they is hurting me eh. Tingin ko. I not know who is the person is doing such this. No, but personal on the right eye. It shows in this year 2025. I will talk now. So this is elevator and then this is food court. This is table in here as well as in here. And then in here, I not know yet of what to put in here. And then escalator on the side. Escalator and then stairs. There is stairs on it. And then this is the entrance in here. When I am imagining it, this one is being shows in here. When I am imaginative on the right eye, talking about it, writing about it, it shows it is color white. The stairs in here is color white. I not know why such that. And then there is basement one. At the moment I want to not to talk at the moment because myself is being put on fast mode. I will talk with lang. The person is tends to copy me. They is doing something on my reproductive organ at the moment. Clitoris na ano. Ganito. It is my thinking process. They is hurting my chest at the moment. They is getting of what is mine and mine is mine. Why? I have a life. I will have a baby. And yet they is feeling high level and then hurting me and then killing myself. They talks on my right ear. That is why I need to talk. Now I am on uh, first floor. This is the first floor and then elevator is in here. On the fifth the elevator is on the middle. Such that. And then this one and then this one. And then on my imagination I create this decorations bazaar activities as well as decorations bazaar activities of which is imaginative it is of what it is being looked on the right eye. And then that is my favorite part on of in here. mm, since it is a mall oh, since it is a mall when I feel shocked because the right eye is doing black magic a while ago. At this moment, the right eye is uses black magic and then something putting the scenery onto I don't know facial expression. This is escalator on the side and then since it is a mall, it is such this square. I am not architect. I am a business administration major in business management with a specialization as business analyst. This is how I create. I am Connie Ann. And then it is a leisure time on inside of the house. And then at the moment there is person that tends to copy me. The bastos is on drama. And then that person is should be dead talaga. I wish they be dead. They is killer. I feel scared at the moment because myself is being killed. The voice is killer. And then now they slapping my ear. The person is angry because of my wordings. They is killer. I wish that person be dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is such this. And then this is the second floor. Let me let me talk. I will talk so that myself be understood. Because it has corresponds panaginip of my on myself. I already say that on my other camera video about that panaginip I show on my notebook. I will not show it at in here. So this is the second, and then and think of other person. I feel they is clingy to kill me. Oh, those person that will be slash the head. They is killing me before it happens. So this is the second floor. It is open. But on my imagination, I am thinking of to put jealousy on it. Hmm. No, that is on third floor. So what else could I say? It is such as this drawing of the structure of it. It is room, and then it is of how I draw it. Open. When it is being say of open, it could be if a person is in here on the side to side of it of this square, it could be look the first floor of which is decoration bazaar activities such that that is my thinking process. And then on the third on the third floor, this is my favorite. On third floor. I put jealousy as well in here. Oh, not yet. It is on fourth. So in here is the third floor. It could be side. And then in here is the ATM machine, such this, and then room. When it is an in here room, myself is another pops up. Someone is tends to be a vendor and then selling of cloth. It is such that when I draw it, it pops up. And then even in here, there is person that pops up. And then myself is such as escalator. Uh, I wear dress and then high heel. Myself is already wearing uh, stick heel. Oh, that is already. I not know why. That is myself in here. I not know. That is why I myself talks because it pops up on my right eye. And then another room for in here for uh, selling. And then in here is I not know yet, but it is as well such as selling of home about home, something such that is what I think. It's what myself thinking during that moment. And then, la, they talks on my right eye. I'm just showing it, and then I need to talk about it because myself is being killed. So this is the what is being said of the right eye is such as market daw. Tinito. I know what is happening. This is how myself during year 2020. And then fourth floor. This is the fourth floor. Now, the look of this in here room in here for selling products. The floor of it is jealousy. That is what I like. That is what I like in here. Jealousy is the floor. Could could side, could not side. I could side the below, but could not side the above. That is this. And then same on side to side it is. In here is male and then female toilet. When I write it, myself is imaginative. It is color white. White and then someone turns it onto beige in here. I not know why. On the right eye. So it is such as when I am writing it, there is person because it tends to pops up. Kaya nga. Thank you. Never likes to. And then this is the fifth floor. In here as well. Ay, ko, wait lang. I will just get water. Wait, let me finish it. I will just get water before I proceed to talk. I need cold water. I feel heatness in here eh. Wait lang. Hanggang may heat. Now, wait lang, I will just drink water. So I am on fifth floor. I am girl gender. So this is the look of fifth uh floor. It is space in there and then space in here. Then cinema it is. And then time zone in here. When it comes on in here, my thinking process when I create this is only on this bond paper. There is no basis. And then it is letter A and then letter O. That is pops up on my mind. It is in here. Left eye. It shows color black the stairs. Right eye I think there is. Right eye. Temta. No, left eye there is. Left eye. Wait lang. When it comes in here, cinema, what is my imaginative in here is on the right eye. I saw a person tends to on a line. Wait, I will, it buffers. Could I talk now? Wait lang. Could I talk now? Wait lang, it buffers. When when myself is thinking of such this, I not think of money. It is a drawing. Drawing it is. It buffers. May camera. Wait lang. Oh! Di pa! It is not yet buffers already. I could talk now. On my mind, it they pops up. Those person that is on the line. I not know the reason. And then mm, I put time zone in here because my mall should the mall should have time zone as well as a playground playroom. And then in here, this is where myself shocks. It is cinema. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In here on 8 pops up on the right eye. Ay nauwahan. Oh, ay nauwahan the person. This girl gender. Wait lang. Mamaya na ako kakain. Sabihin, mamaya na ako kakain. They pops up those person that is being wrapped the head. And then they say, ate, the other person says, Year 2020, there is no sound. There is no sound. So it is being talk year 2021. It is, oh. The right eye is doing black magic at the moment, putting my face in here. On year 2021, the girl gender that is being wrapped the head say, Ate, ila tulong. Ay, ako daldal. Ay, I not want them. I not want them. Wait lang pa! Wait lang! So, that is what is being says. O, diba? I need help. I need help talaga. They suddenly pops up year 2021. Huh? But when I am thinking my memory, there is no person that tends to pops up. Sometimes only. At this year 2025, the kabit tends to get of what is mine. And then, I don't know what is happening. Timiko. And then the other, an English translation, it is being say, uh, ate, meaning older sister, you need help, something such that. Bakit pa? Wait lang! Asando! Wait, wait on me. I will just... Lapit na ka. It's close. Please. Yeah. Unapologetic is me. So I will talk now. Year 2021, it is being on my talking. So it is such as tends to be talk year 2021. And then during that year 2021, that is the person pops up on the right eye, on in here. The girl gender that is wrap the head of fabric. Naon din. I feel scared. I feel scared talaga. Naon din. And then, I feel scared talaga. Onto them. Ay naon them. I am Catholic. 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 And then, I cite it. It is such as uh, there is senior high school that is doing film book viewing, film showing. And then they is on the number 8. Such that imaginative that senior high school is good. That is senior. Na happy. When I'm doing such this, it is either in here or in there. And then, uh, really long day. And then, uh, year 2021, there is person, there is such as doing film viewing, film showing. I don't know the reason. They pops up the scenery on the right eye. I don't know what it is about yet. What is during on myself year 2020 when myself is having that scenery on my mind, on my eye. Myself is, ano yun? Something such that. In English translation, what is that? Something such that. And then, this one is cinema. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is. That is the building. Now, I will talk this portion. Do not hurt me. I'm not getting anything. Ayaw nga. Timik to. Ako to siya. Why? I'm doing kind of video. Kasi kung And then, I am now on this portion. It is Centro Comercial. And then, it is year 2020. What will I talk now is when it is being draw of myself, suddenly the Bugatti from Europa tends to release black car. What it is, myself here Philippine, myself is thinking of mall and then Spanish. I am not connecting it. It is how uh, it is how we call this such this on myself. Coincidence, yon. The word is coincidence. The Bugatti released black car. What is being emphasized during year 2020 about Bugatti is La Voice Noire, something such that, meaning to say black car. On myself, I feel shy, but I need to talk eh. Maybe myself put on shame. I need to. On myself, Spanish as well, and then the meaning, the word is mall. It is a simple word mall, and then the Spanish word is centro comercial. Mm. There is no hurting myself. It is such that. What else could I say? Because during year 20, pandemic ka, I feel overwhelmed. This is. I feel happy, tear of joy. I not want to think about it at the moment. I want to talk. Hmm. But I need help talaga eh. Kaya nga. And then, uh, expression of the right eye at the moment. Ano daw? What is being said? Ano nande? Na, na. The girl gender on Facebook Reels pops up on my right eye doing 6Ds. I want to behave. Tahimik ka. I will talk now. Why do I feel something is being returned, being back, being put on the belonging? I not know. Tahimik ko. Love relax ko. And then, uh, when it comes on to Bugatti, the Spanish word, mm, I am Kunayan that talks. Work, love, life, travel is me, part of community. And then, community that is on specific location that is being called community. La, the African no, the African the right eye shows himself, and then that is during when I cite the Kabit number 2 on the Facebook. What else it is? Timid ko. I will talk now. College degree is me. Tahimik ko. I want to talk now. Tahimik in English word, behave. Yun lang. Fitness in here on the throat. Letter H, letter E, letter A, letter T, letter N, letter E, letter S, letter S. I want to eat at the moment. Let me finish it. Why I laugh? I'm pretty. Why myself laugh? Mm, because of the right eye. Talking. I feel scared. Talking of what? It leads when about my about to say it leads to Princess Diana and then about mole. Himiko, I will talk so that myself be understood. What is that mean? I am here Philippine. What it is about? Kwentuhan. Kwentuhan in Tagalog word and English word. Tuking. Naon you. Never let's go. Naon po po maglag. I will talk now. Is there anything I could say? The side to side of the mole. The side to side of the mole is jealousy. And then jealousy it is. Jealousy and then building. Cement. Cement, building. Building. It is cement. And then jealousy. Wait. Lalagnat ko. Talaga Filipina ko. May talk nga kasi. Ayan, the right eye is talking on my ear. They is what? Bullying me. And then, on my body movement of gracefully on being Dalaga Filipina, they is putting on the use of black magic on pervertness. The right eye doing and then the right ear. That is why when myself is on a body movement of which is has effect of them being looking on myself because of this pervert, myself is being on such as body movement of uh, pervertness even though myself is not pervert. I not know black magic. I not want bobo camouflage. They is the person that is tends to bully me. I not want in this country. And then let me talk because myself needs to talk because they is putting on black mag they is uses black magic so to kills me. It is such as after being you know the essence of leftover food. Leftover food after the person eat it will and then there is person that is on that plate they tends to live. When I say live, letter L, letter E, letter A, letter V, letter E, and then the food is tends to be on such as in situation on a situation of garbage, something such that. I not want in here. Me and Alex Junior ko should go at America because the attitude in this country is so pervert. I not want bobo camouflage. I will talk now. I will never socialize to Bobo Camouflage. Ever. There is gold digger. Harassment and then gold digger. Feeling high level. I feel I have a fever at this moment. I not know why. I vomit a while ago. Hitness on my neck. And then Wilson tends to shows himself on my right eye when I talk at this day at this year 2025. And then suddenly the person on Clickland shows himself. I not know the reason, such as I not know. Timiko. And then what is the next? After I say uh, when I say wait loud, I vomit a while ago when I'm not videoing myself. Before myself is talking such this. What else? Hmm? The person tends to say puff when letter P, letter F, letter F, letter F, letter F. Why? Because when I say I'm Dalaga Filipina a while ago, my body posture on camera when I am in standing position a while ago. No, wait na. What else could I say? There is person going in there on that mall. There is such a video about it. Where? Oh my god. Where is it? On the left. Left, but it is on the right. Left and then right. And then, mm, what else it is? When I say video, it is scenery. Scenery on that mall that people go indoor. Starter. Starter meaning to say opening of it. I not know. I not know of why I cite that video on my left eye and then right eye. I not know. But I think that is on the right eye. Right eye. So it is such as I am on sitting position inside of my bedroom and then it is being eyesight on left. The feeling is on the left and then it is on the right eye. And then uh, during that moment it is being looked year 2021. They talk about it and then I not know what they're doing. But it is year 2020 that I created it. And then um, nothing else to say. Business idea is what myself thinking at this moment. What year? Wait, wait. January it is. Year 2020, I am waiting to Alex ko. My feeling during waiting year 2020 to Alex Jr. ko is somehow deep already. When I say deep, myself is Mrs. Alex Jr. ko. I want to be with Alex Jr. ko, and then Alex Jr. ko, this person, high school classmate, this person, that person. Never Lex ko. Brown skin color.